Friend, welcome back to my new lecture on Web 3.0. So basically it is very emerging topic and emerging field of web technology. So basically what happened inside this Web 3.0, there are main properties that define Web 3.0 are semantic web, artificial intelligence, 3D graphics and ubiquitous. So it is a set of standards that runs that turn the web into big database. So this time, this era of technological era, we have been AI is leading. AI is taking a very emerging role and very important role. Semantic web, 3D graphics, ubiquitous, they are playing a very important role in today's technology, today's web technology, and we are moving towards web 4.0 like industry 4.0. We are moving towards web 4.0. So what happened in web 3.0, it transform how the web 3.0. We will learn about how web 3.0 is transforming our society. We will learn all the things how this web 3.0 is benefiting to our society, our programmer. So we'll discuss all these facts in this lecture also. So initially when we have started web 1.0, so at the time of web 1.0, we are focused only catalogs. We have been static sites, and these sites can display only the informations. So this is the this is the view of web 1.0. So we have been lots of sites, but all the sites are static sites. This is the initial web programming, web technology. So we have been lots of era. The initial era is 1.0, then 2. Web 2.0, web 3.0, semantic web is around web 3.0, and moving towards web 4.0. So this way, the initial web technology, that was online catalogs, and then we have started in web 2, in the time of web 2.0. We have started bidirectional website, means we have started dynamic website on web 2.0. So that time we upload the data in websites, our web portals, as well as we download the data from the web portals. So two-way communication or bidirectional website are this type of the website. So you can see here in this slide eWay's website, and just like a railway reservation, this is also bidirectional website. So this is during the web 2.0, it has been started, and during web 3.0 there are many changes in web technology. And in this J2E, we have been this J2E platform, we have been lots of new technology. We have client server and entire technologies are there. So mobile and internet had emerged during this web 3.0, and finally we move towards this web 4.0 during this era of machine intelligence. So web 4.0 is very important and emerging field of web technology. So in coming classes we will discuss about web 4.0. So today we will discuss all about the web 3.0, and I have already given one lecture on web 2.0 in previous classes. So web 3.0, where we are using geolocalized. So this is a new term came during web 3.0, geo localized. All devices are geolocalized like our mobile phone. So anywhere, any place we are connected with the internet, and all the time through Google we are connected everywhere, and we have been Google Map. And this is due to this web 3.0, and we have benefited by the wearable technology. We have been lots of smart watch. We have been smart fitness band. So these are the technology, and we can do programming for this technology in web 3.0, but not in web 2.0. Web 2.0 it is not possible. uh, Also, augmented reality is possible in Web 3.0. So you can see the benefit of augmented reality. So sometimes it is called TV is rolled towards our class inside the classroom. So we are experiencing TV. We are taking the benefit of TV inside our classroom. So this is the benefit of the augmented reality. Google Glass is one of the important example, and one of the important facility which is provided by the Google. So you can see here the Google Glass. So this is due to this Web 3.0. So virtual reality, VR virtual reality, you can see here TV rolled on your eyes, so you can take the benefit and you can see the TV on this virtual reality glass. So you can see all the 3D images and 3D graphics easily on this virtual reality VR glass. So this is very beneficial for educational purpose also. This is possible in Web 3.0. So you can view the real estate sitting from your home. So you can see real image of the any real estate or any tour. So it is helpful for tourism also. And machine understanding, now machine can understand the humans. So this is possible only by Web 3.0. We are speaking in front of the device, in front of mobile phone or our laptop. So it is directly record our voice and accordingly answer accordingly. So Alexa is one of the example. Google Home is the example of this machine understand the human. So this is also due to the Web 3.0. So today we have been lots of bots which replace the humans. So in place of the human counselor, so bots are working now. So whatever we are asking, as we have entered on any website, so automatically bots in the background, bots are started the working. So whatever we will ask from that website and that organization, so bot will answer accordingly. So uh, suppose for example, any university, we are inquiring about the university courses, about the university placement. So any human counselor will not answer our question, the bot will answer our question. So this is one of the biggest example of the machine learning or AI. So AI is more and more we are using AI in this time of Web 3.0. Live chat. So this is live chat is possible with the machine. Live chat is your most potent channel. So power it with the bots and bring it into mobile generation. So this is really a amazing facility which is provided by these bots. So this is the benefit of robots. Robotics is so we are including and embedding robotics in our web web. So this is possible by this Web 3.0 internet. Now we are living in the era of in the age of this internet of things. So we have been lots of devices, we have been a smart car. So this is also enabled by the Web 3.0. Somehow we are using Web 3.0 in background. So you can see here we have a smart screen, and this smart screen is assisting the human driver. So this is a smart car. A smart home, we have been the concept of a smart home, where everything, any device is automatically work, and each device will sense with other device, and devices will that talk with each other wirelessly. So this is the concept of the smart home. So many companies are providing the smart home facilities. So this is the benefit of this Web 3.0 also. So we have been lots of facility, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, connected to a home, energy monitor, lightning control system. They all are automated. They are all controlled by the IoT framework and different sensors. So household security system integrated with the home automation system. So these all are the benefit due to this Internet of Things and Web 3.0. We are having this concept of the smart cities in India also. So due to this smart city concept. This is possible through IoT. So this is an emerging concept also. Sensor technology in the irrigation system, sensor technology in agriculture system, gardening, through bus network based traffic flows and smart traffic lights route the emergency vehicle entered into the traffic light system. So these all are the benefits. Suppose smart irrigation system. Suppose we are talking about the smart irrigation system, it will save water also. So as per the requirement, as per the moisture level of the field, agricultural field, it automatically sends the irrigating devices and automatically start irrigating and accordingly stop the irrigation. And suppose the emergency vehicles are going on highway, so the automatic sensors will assess that emergency vehicle, and they will provide pass to emergency vehicle accordingly. So these are automated system, and this is possible due to the IoT and other systems. So somehow these systems are directly connected with the Web 3.0. We are living in the age of this big data. We have been big resource. Google Alert is very important. Day by day we have been new and newer concept. So Google Alert, it will assist and monitor the web for interesting new content. So suppose we are having in a particular field, we are working in a particular field, and we will have some new alert or of our field by Google Alert. So huge tool like Google Alert to monitor your brand. Suppose we are dealing in a particular brand, so Google Alert will inform us any new brand coming on, any new content or interesting content related to our brand, so it will display us. So this is Google Analytics. This is very important. This is emerging. So create an alert about, so we will have this one also. So we can create the alert here. And Google Analytics will, this is also possible in Web 3.0. Google Analytics will analyze our website traffic of everything. So measure everything in our website. So organic search, direct search, referral search, paid search, social, anything it will display us. So these are the benefit of this one also. So finally I will say that Web 3.0 is very important as per the time, as per this technological time. So it has 4 parts: semantic web, artificial intelligence, 3D graphics, and ubiquitous. So in this lecture I have described you about Web 3.0. So what are the technologies, what are the facilities Web 3.0 having? So I have described all the things. I have introduced you. So in next lecture we will discuss about the semantic web as well as artificial intelligence enabled Web 3.0 and 3D graphics enabled 3.0 or ubiquitous 3.0. So thank you guys, thank you very much for listening this lecture, and I hope that you enjoyed this lecture. Thanks again.